Guys, I'm Brittany Rivers and welcome to my channel. I'm super excited today because today we are unboxing my iPad. This is my first kind of big ticket business expense other than inventory or something. So I'm really excited. I feel like just an iPad in general will just elevate my business. I have so many ideas. We're going to go ahead and open this box because I'm super excited. So before we get into this video, I'm going to ask that you all remember to like, comment, subscribe to my channel, you guys. Follow me on Instagram at Madam Brittany and check out my lash company, Casino Lashes. And let's open this box, you guys. Okay, so I actually ordered my iPad from Walmart. And I ordered my Apple Pen from Best Buy. So Best Buy, for some reason, didn't have it where I could order the iPad in my area and get it delivered. They only had the pen to where it could be delivered. And I didn't want to leave the house. So I just went ahead and just bought the pen on there and then bought my iPad on Walmart, because Walmart was literally vice versa, to where I couldn't order the pen, but I could order the iPad. So I have the first generation Apple Pen. I'm so excited to draw. That's the big thing I want to do. So on my business, this is like my business notebook and stuff. I actually draw a lot. And it's kind of bad, but I'm excited to finally have it to where I can add color and send it to my vendor. So that's really exciting. So of course I get custom packaging for my business. We're gonna open this because I know that's why we're here. I get custom packaging from my vendor, and a lot of times they're in China, and sometimes the English is kind of lost a little bit. They speak in broken English a lot of times, so I find it best to draw pictures for them. And now I can draw it on my iPad instead of having to take a picture on my phone. And actually, if I want a color, I can literally give them the color. I can show them the picture of the color. But we're opening it, you guys. We're opening it. I've been wanting this for so long, but I didn't want to spend the money. But then I realized that I'm a business and I can write this off on my taxes in February or whatever. But this is it. It's here. Let me be careful. I'm so excited. I've been talking about this forever. Y'all. So I had a friend and he got an iPad, and he actually has an unboxing on his channel too. I kind of copied him on my case and stuff. But child, he started an art shop. This was in July or something. He started an art shop, and within 4 months, he has quit his job. He is doing his art shop full time. Well, not 4 months, from July to December. So almost 6 months. He is doing an art shop because he started drawing on his iPad. And at the time I was just ew, why are you spending all of this money during a pandemic? But sometimes people don't see your vision. So basically, I say all of that to say, start your business. Do what you need to do. Some people can't see your vision. So here it is. I got it out the plastic. I have the Wi-Fi version, and it is in space gray. I'm so excited. I'm going to show you all. I'm so scared to break it or something. Here it is, you guys. It looks gorgeous. You can see my setup in the reflection, everything. So that's just the screen. It looks so beautiful. You're just gonna dump it out. Here it is. It is so beautiful. I'm just so excited to get Procreate and just get to drawing and all of that, because I always have schemes and stuff for packaging in my head. So I'm glad to finally put it here. So they have the big adapter and the cord in here. Yeah, and that's all. So I'm going to go ahead and open this now because I want to put that screen protector on immediately. So this is from Amazon, you guys. I'll show you all my case and stuff. I thought it was so cute. Oh, so my Apple Pen literally came overnight. So I ordered it around 5 p.m. and then Best Buy had it here the next morning. And then the iPad itself, I ordered it took like 2 days to come. So I got the screen protector from Amazon. I'm gonna link all this in the description box. I'm gonna even link the iPad in the description box, you guys. So I have an affiliate link almost everywhere. So if you're thinking of buying an iPad and you haven't yet, use the link that I will link in the description box. Okay, I was scared that it would not fit on here. It looks smaller. I hope it fits. We're gonna see. But I got the composition bookcase. And then I even copied my friend so much, I even got the pencil like case for the Apple Pencil. So let's go ahead and put this in. Let's put the screen protector on this now. I'm gonna sit this over here because I want a flat surface because I don't want to mess this up. I really like this case they have for the glass. So this is actually the 8th generation iPad. It's the cheapest one they have right now. We'll see. I will probably review it for my business and business purposes later, since that's what I'm using it for mostly, and let you all know how I feel about it for business itself. So here is the little glass. I'm not that good at this, but we'll see how this goes. Yeah, I have some air bubbles in there, but honestly, I don't mind them, but this thing was super cheap, so I can just get another one. Let me put it in the case and see if this thing fits. Here's the case. It's so cute. And it has a place to put the pencil. So you just snap it in, snap it. Whew, I haven't had an iPad in so long. I was over there pressing the volume button and I was scared it wasn't turning on. So it's on, it's on. Hello, hello, hello. In the booklet. Oh, press home to open. English. You know what? I'll set it up in a little bit. But let's go ahead and open the pen, because this is something I've never like used before, really. I didn't want to get like the off-brand pens because my friend was telling me that sometimes they don't like calibrate well to the system and like they press the wrong stuff. So that's why I was just like, okay, I'll just get this then. Okay, we got the pen open, off at least the plastic off it. So it slides out like this. Wow, $100 for this. 100. I wonder what the difference is between the first generation and the first few generations or whatever. But here it is. I'm not even sure how what's anything. I don't know anything about this. So you stick this into the iPad. You see it's like open like the it's like a charger, but I guess I think that charges the iPad. I think that charges the pen. So I also have the little pencil cover for my Apple Pencil. So I'm going to put this on. Be careful when shopping for the Apple Pencils, because I was about to get one and it told me that, like, I read the reviews and it told me that it makes it, you have to take the whole cover off to charge it because some of them are too thick. So I guess I just slide it in here like, ooh, it's a little hard to put this on. Okay, so we got the cover on. I will never be taking this thing off because it takes so long. And I heard like getting a cover is good, especially if you want to draw, because it makes the pen like thicker and just feel better in your hands to draw with. And even the eraser, you just have to guide it down. And bam, this is my pencil. Can I just automatically use it? So no, it's not pressing anything yet. I need to like read up on it and everything, but I'm so excited, you guys. Okay, so I set up my iPad already, and now I'm just playing with it and stuff. I figured out how to set up the Apple Pen and all of that, but you're gonna see me using my iPad in a lot of my videos now. I am so excited. I feel like it will open so many new doors in my business, and I'll let you all know how I feel about it in another video when I get like used to it and a custom, but I love this case and everything. Thank you all so much for watching. Have a great day, you guys. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you all later. Bye.